Let's get this out of the way. Yes, I know I look like I lost a fight with my car door because I did. And the car won. But here is the crazy part. A package showed up my doorstep this morning. Something, I had never heard of until yesterday. It's called arnica. And people swear it helps bruises heal faster. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm gonna unbox it and put it right on this bruise. We'll see what happens. Hi everyone, I'm Andy, and welcome to Aging Strong. I didn't plan on making this video today, but when you get punched in the face by your own car, well, sometimes you turn it into content. And this is actually a great example of what healthspan looks like. Taking care of yourself, even when life throws you a surprise. So let's talk about arnica, what it is, where it comes from, and why people use it for bruises and swelling. Here's what happened. I opened the car door, turned my head at the wrong moment, and bam, the door connected with my face like it had a personal agenda. No drama, no heroics here, just me, my car, and gravity. People kept recommending arnica, so I ordered it, and it arrived this morning. Perfect timing. So let's talk about what arnica actually is. Arnica comes from a mountain flower called Arnica montana. It's also known as the mountain daisy. It's been used for hundreds of years in Europe and Siberia for bruising, for swelling, and soreness. Back in the 1500s, herbalists recommended it for injuries for mountain climbers, and they used it after long climbs to help with aches and bruises. Today, arnica is found in gels and creams and balms and little pellets. Arnica also has a long history in homeopathy. Homeopathy is a natural medicine system developed in the 1700s based on the idea that the body can stimulate its own healing response. In homeopathy, arnica is diluted many times into very tiny pellets that dissolve under the tongue. Some people love the pellets. Some prefer the gel. The studies are mixed. But millions of people use arnica worldwide for bruises, swelling, and soreness. I'm not here to debate the science. I'm here to try and let my face tell the truth. Most people use arnica in two main ways. Number one, a gel or a cream gently rubbed onto the bruise. Now, number two, homeopathic pellets taken under the tongue. I'm using the gel today. You don't put it on broken skin, and you use a very light touch. No pressure, no hard rubbing. If you follow my videos, you know that I usually demonstrate an exercise in every episode. But today is going to be different. And this is important. When you have a fresh facial bruise, experts recommend avoiding strenuous exercise for at least 24 to 48 hours. Why? Because intense exercise increases blood flow to the face, and it can make the bruise worse, increase swelling, and or delay healing. So today, I'm not going to be doing cardio, push-ups, or anything, really strenuous. But I will show you a gentle movement that you can do safely. Sit tall. Place your hands lightly on your ribs. Take a slow breath in, and gently lift your chest up and then relax. This opens the lungs, improves posture, and calms your nervous system without increasing circulation to the bruise. This is aging strong, knowing when to move and when to rest. All right, let's open this thing. Here's the box. It just arrived this morning. Let me open the box. Now inside is the arnica gel that people keep recommending. I'm going to just squeeze a little bit, just about the size of a pea. And now I'm going to gently apply it right over the bruise. Light touch, no pressure, just letting it sit there. That's it. Now we'll see if it works. I'll update you on it in a future video. So that's arnica, the mountain flower that showed up right after my car gave me this black eye. If you ever used arnica, let me know in the comments. And if you want to follow this little Bruise journey and keep learning how to age strong, subscribe. Aging isn't about avoiding mishaps, it's about recovering smarter and aging wisely and giving your body what it needs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Aging strong every day.